Why is intentional cold coffee delicious, but warm coffee that has gone cold disgusting?
It's a chemical reaction. Coffee has chemicals in it called lactones. And as hot coffee cools down, a chemical reaction happens where those lactones turn into carboxylic and chlorogenic acids. We perceive these acids to taste acidic. In iced coffee, there's no time for this reaction to take place, so you don't get that same flavor out of iced coffee. And you get even less out of cold brew because that was never hot, so that reaction takes place even less. Now, I feel like I should kind of explain that acidic coffee is no good. It's sour, it tastes gross. But coffee also has acidity. We normally refer to this as bright. You'll find it in a lot of light roast. Acidic coffee is not coffee with a bright acidity. Acidity is perceived as sweet, acidic is gross. Now, because of the way that we as people perceive flavor, we are often able to taste things a lot more when they're cold. Once you hit a certain temperature, it gets a lot more difficult for us to taste things. So a good high quality coffee with a nice bright acidity will actually start to taste like sweeter and really good as it cools down, whereas a coffee that's acidic and not very good and lower quality will taste worse. And the same goes for if your coffee starts to taste bitter as it cools down. That just means that your coffee was bitter when it was hot and now you can taste it. So that is why intentional cold coffee tastes good and unintentional cold coffee tastes bad.